Hello students, today we are discuss about chemistry in everyday life chapter. Chemistry in everyday life. ఇది మనకి డెఫినేషన్స్ ఉంటే చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. ఫస్ట్ వన్, యాంటాసిడ్స్, కెమికల్స్ that remove excess acid in stomach and maintain pH to normal level is called antacid. Example, MgOH taken twice, milk of magnesia antaru, and omeprazole and lansoprazole. Next, tranquilizers, the drug is used to treatment of stress and mental diseases are called tranquilizers. Example, Valium and Seronium. Next, antibiotics, the chemical substance produced by microorganisms which inhibits growth of microorganisms is called antibiotics. Example, penicillin and chloropenicol. Next, antiseptics, the chemicals which either kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms is called antiseptics. Example, Dettol, boric acid or tincture of iodine. Next, disinfectants. Disinfectants are antiseptics applied to cleaning of floor and drainage system. Example, 1% phenol. Next, anti-fertility drugs, birth control pills which are used to prevent pregnancy in women is called anti-fertility drugs. Example, Novostrol and Novitrol. Next, artificial sweetening agents, chemical substance which are used as sweetening agents in place of sugars but have no nutrition value are called artificial sweetening agents. Example, sucralose and aspartame. Next, food preservatives, the chemicals which prevent spoilage of foods due to microbial growth are called food preservatives. Example, sodium benzoate and table salt. Next, what is tincture iodine? So tincture iodine is a 2 to 3% of iodine solution in alcohol and water is called tincture of iodine. So it is used as antiseptic to kill bacteria, used in cleaning wounds. Next, what are the analgesics? Drugs which are reduce pain without causing disturbance of nervous system are called analgesics. Example, morphine and paracetamol. Next, antimicrobials, the drug used to kill growth of microorganism like fungi, bacteria, virus are called antimicrobials. Example, sulfanilamide and salvansal. So this is the definitions of chemistry in everyday life. ఇవి మనకి టూ డెఫినేషన్స్ కలిపి 4 మార్క్స్కి ఇస్తాడు, లేదా ఒక్కోసారి 2 మార్క్స్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు.